Hey there, I wanted to do a quick video to tell you what I was up to. So I went here to pull our data the way we normally do from this week to this week, and I just used my snipping tool to save a picture of that. And then I went here to Office 365 and I clicked Excel and I got a blank workbook. And so the Office 365 comes with our paid Office subscription. And when you come to this, the first thing you'll do is data from a picture. I'm going to use my Rise 6 picture that I took today, and I'm going to, see how this is in this little box up here? That's where it's going to put it. I want it to be in this box up here. So I'm going to make sure before I insert data that my box is where I want to insert that picture. The thing that I like about this is that it kind of tells you, in red, it shows you where there could be some misconceptions, or like you can see there's an extra period here and stuff like that. So you can either click on it and fix it right here, or you can just go ahead and insert it anyway, and it will come over here. So the thing that was wrong with Brown and Kathy is that it had a merged cell right here. And so I can edit that and unmerge that cell in a minute. I'm going to show you a few quick tricks using this. So the words matter only because of the program that I wrote for our data. Right here, how there's that minus sign, I'm going to go home, grab my magnifying glass, go to find and replace the minus sign, and I'm going to replace all. Since I didn't hit anything here, now you can see that all the minus signs went to nothing.
I need to see the appointment for the online.
I am going to put myself on pause while I finish looking for the little mistakes that it showed me in red, and I'm kind of glad that it did. So I'm going to go back and just fix those real quick. Okay, so I finished finding out where the rest of my little mistakes were for this, and I'm going to go ahead and just select these all. I'm leaving the applause score off because we have that gap, and I'm just going to copy those, and I'm going to go to my tab, and where Atkins is right here, the schools are not in the same order, but I'm going to hit Control V. And then right away you can see that those kind of changed. So what's neat about these is that I've programmed these where if you do 65, it turns red, or if we do 75, so you can still, if you prefer to type them in by hand, you can still type them in by hand. The only thing that makes a difference is that on the program, for instance, this says men per week. And so right here, this one, there was still a little mistake right there. But if I change these to, for instance, 90, it should, how about if I change it to 91? Yeah, there it goes. It should go ahead and turn colors as we do it. So I'm going to go back and pick up my applause performance. And back to my sheet, this is for 2.5. If I add it on there, right away we can see the difference between week 2.4 and week 2.5. There shouldn't be a 1% difference between here and here. Not sure what happened, but it should automatically subtract. So if this is 96, it's going to be, it automatically turned green, but then not turn red. But if I do 23, instead, then 23 to 44, that was growth. And so then these should also change colors. So this is like, if I change that to 85%, you see the box automatically turns green. So the only thing that really matters is kind of the little bit of format right there where it's minutes per week and that these have the percent signs on them. And then after that, it should go ahead and the numbers color code and the boxes color code.